Today I'm going to show you how to log in to take your map test. So first, you're going to go to NWEA. I'm logged in as a student. It'll be right around the same place. Click NWEA. So, oops, this screen will pop up. You're going to go up to these three dots in the corner of your screen. It'll be next to probably your initials. It has my face because I've put it in there. But you're going to do the three dots. You're going to go down to Settings and click it. Then you're going to look at a screen like this. You're going to go over to Privacy and Security. When I click that, it takes me to this box right here. This is Privacy and Security, and you're going to go to Site Settings. Okay, you're going to go down to all the way at the bottom. It says Pop-ups and Redirects. You want to go to the part that says Allow, not block, because that's going to block your pop-ups. We want to allow our pop-ups. So we're going to say Add. And then in the chat, you can copy and paste what you need to add, which will be this. And it should be good. So now when I go back and open my test session, it will allow my new testing session to pop up.